Hi everyone, and today we are going to be making Ndengu. For those who don't know, Ndengu is the same as green grams, or you can also call them mung beans. We are going to be making them in a creamy coconut sauce with curry. I always like to start by checking for stones. These have already been pre-picked, but just to be sure, I always give them a quick glimpse. If you're buying your mung beans or Ndengu from the farmer's market, then I highly suggest that you check through or pick through and remove any stones or debris that might be there. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So to check for stones, you basically just want to arrange them on a plate. A tray is actually best, and you just want to quickly use your finger to get like stuff that are unwanted. This is too small and that you guys can see, but that was a stone, and you just get rid of that. So I'll continue with this, and once you've done this, you just want to clean the Ndengu and then boil it. So it's cleaned. I'm using here 2 cups of Ndengu or mung bean, and I'm just going to boil it with water and 1 stock cube. And again, if you have already boiled your Ndengu, just skip this step. This applies as well if you're using canned mung beans. Add the oil to the same pot or pan. Then add in the sliced onions. Just going to add in about a tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger. You can add some more if you like. So allow the garlic and ginger to fry until fragrant. Then add in salt and the spices, followed by coriander stems. These are very useful. Don't be throwing them out. And you want to add the stems at this point because they do take longer to cook, so you just want them to soften up. I've just added in the salt, I'm adding in the curry powder and the garam masala. I pureed about 4 large tomatoes. So I'm just adding in the coconut milk straight out of the can, and then I'm just going to give this a good stir to combine. Reduce the heat to low and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Before I cover the pan, I just want to add in half a teaspoon of turmeric. That's totally optional, but I find it gives it a nice golden yellowish color. This is done, and I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander or cilantro, and then it's ready to serve.